Hello dear learners, welcome to Examine SKS. Today we will discuss how can we arrange the numbers. So the topic is numbers in order. Numbers in order. So numbers can be arranged in increasing order or decreasing order. Numbers can be arranged in increasing order or decreasing order. How can we write the number in increasing order? If we write numbers like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this series is called increasing order. And if we write numbers like this 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and so on, this series is decreasing order, and like this is increasing order. Next topic is before, in between, after. Here an apple is between mango and orange. Here an apple is between mango and orange. Mango is before the apple and orange is after the apple. Mango is before the apple and orange is after the apple. Here before means just left, means mango is left of the apple, and after means right, means orange is just right the apple. So mango, apple and orange denote here before, in between and after. Let's try with the numbers. I write here 3, 5, 9, 6, and you have to write what is before 3, what is before 5, what is before 9 and what is before 6. So 2 is before 3, 2 is before 3, and 4 is before 5, 4 is before 5. Next is 8 is before 9, 8 is before 9, and 5 is before 6, 5 is before 6. Next, in between. In between means I write here 2, 4, 3, 5, 8, 10. What comes in between? So between 2 and 4 there comes 3. Between 3 and 5 comes 4. Between 8 and 10 comes 9. So these numbers are in between. And we try here after. What is after? So I write here 3, 5, 6. What is after 3? So after 3 is 4. After 3 is 4. What is after 5? After 5 is 6. And what comes after 6? 7 comes after 6. So here we understand that in between, before and after. In between is just before the number and after is just after the number. Now understand the use of sign greater, smaller and equal. Open side is greater and closed side is smaller of this sign. Here with the example 3 is less than 5, so 3. Here 7 is greater than 4, so the sign will be reverse here or interchange. Here 2 is greater than 1 and 3 is equals to 3. 6 is lesser than 9 and 7 is equals to 7. So like this we can use sign greater, smaller or equal here.